Right, this is part 2 of my colour videos. I wanted to show you the colour meanings section. I didn't get to show you in the first video, part 1, and I wanted to show you a little bit more about the meanings of colour, because colour is extremely important for your business. Getting the right colour will ultimately draw in the right clients and customers for you. So we are back at canva.com/colours, and we are looking at this tab here, colour meanings. Now, this is a great little tool because it just shows you a huge amount of different colours. Hover over each one, it gives you the colour's name. So, oh God, just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. There's just so many different colours. So we are going to pick teal. I love the colour teal, and I tend to use teal as one of my brand colours. So I'm going to click teal. And then it brings up this page, everything about the colour teal. It brings you different colour shades of it and different colour combinations that match with the colour teal. You can also go for the analogues, the complementary, which are probably the similar colours to what I use, and triad. We'll click back on mono. So here's teal. Teal's a deep blue-green colour, named for the coloured area around the eye of the common teal bird. Oh, I didn't know that. And there's the hex code for the colour teal. And then down here, it gives you a little bit more information. It has calming properties, infinity of the sea and sky. It's a colour of truth and faith for Egyptians. Teal pops with bright white and coral and works well with cream, navies and browns and pinks, which again is, pinks are part of my branding. And then it gives you different hue options, so different shades of teal, and then a little bit more information about teal here, as in the different type. Ooh, so teal is made of 0% red, 50% 0.2% green and 50.2% blue. So yeah, it's a hex code, and it just tells you the colour combinations. So that's really interesting. And then get again down here a lot more information for you. So it's a fun little tool if you are looking for a new colour, a new colour combination. You've got more colour combinations here. These are just general colours. Let's just go back. So if you are looking, you say you've got a colour in mind that you think will really work for your business, a good thing to do is come here and find it and have a little look. I'm going to click on bright yellow. Then it gives you what two colours make bright yellow. You can't mix any two paint colours to create it. So it just gives you a little bit of information, shades of yellow, the history of bright yellow. This is interesting, the meaning of bright yellow, how to use bright yellow, and what colours go with bright yellow. So if bright yellow is a colour that you love and you want to use it for your branding, I'd suggest come here, have a little read, and then you can find out what other colours will go with it and what will complement it. So this was just an additional video to add with part 1, which was about colour. So check out that video as well, because we had a little look at the colour palette generator, the ideas and the colour wheel, and then this video is on colour meanings. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed them and taken something away from this, and you'll get your absolutely awesome, beautiful colour palette set up for your business.